How to do a wire transfer Bank of America. For this, you will have to check out the Bank of America website as the application does not support the functionality to transfer or wire transfer through Bank of America application. Now, once you tap open your Bank of America web page on your device, make sure to log in. From here, you have to navigate to Pay and Transfer or Transfer slash Zelle. You will likely see an option, Wires or ACH. Select the option. To initiate the transfer, you need to make sure the recipient account, then the amount, frequency, and description. Once you gather and enter all of this in the form type of layout, tap on the Continue Transfer option. You will need to gather the recipient's information beforehand, including their name, address, bank account number, routing number, and account type. For the first time you send the money to a recipient, you will need to add them as a new payee within the online banking system. And that is how you wire transfer in the Bank of America. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.